Good morning, all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, August 21st. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. A couple of house cleaning notes. First off, there'll be no afternoon video today or tomorrow. I'm leaving early both days. I'll be here a good part of the days, but I'm leaving early. I will most likely do one over the weekend, both for myself and for whoever wants to listen, to see where the market ends up and what we're looking at for next week. So that's number one. Number two, I want to thank the people who have signed up for Tradeify using my account, which is my link, which is on each morning and afternoon video. I appreciate it. I do feel they're one of the best ones out there. I also feel I'm one of the best ones out there as far as breaking down the profile and breaking down the market on a daily basis. So how about you come and check us out at CamelbackTrading.org. Okay, so yesterday late morning through most of the afternoon, what did the market do? It just basically tried to take back the first hour and a half of the downward move, and it did a pretty good job of it. But remember, it's meaningless if there's no follow-through today. Even though we ate away into the excess yesterday in ES and NQ, the excess is still there. In fact, excess is there for a bunch of days now in NQ over the past 5 or 6. Something that can't be ignored, especially since the all-time highs in regular trade hours with decent excess. So again, these intraday moves, these emotional moves down, then up, it's all well and good, but even though we're day traders, we need to look at the bigger picture. And the bigger picture right now is the dailies are down, the weeklies have been brought to balance, and NQ is sporting some pretty good excess. Now, again, I think it would be healthy. I would love to see the monthlies come into balance. And then we see if we come out of that balance back up, or is this market done to the upside and we roll over. But we might have to wait a little longer for that. Right now, we're trading in balance, in value. Again, those of you who listen and follow me know that's the worst of your risk reward. We're near overnight lows right now. Wide overnight pop, 14 wide in ES above. NQ is also 14 wide. Again, I won't ignore it, but if it's not 15 wide in the overnight, I wouldn't carry it forward if we don't get it. Righty also down on the daily, okay? And they're also now trading near yesterday's value low. You have unemployment claims out at 8:30. Again, Jackson Hole starts today, but I think Powell only speaks tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern time. That's the only thing I really care about as far as anything coming out. So we'll see where we are this morning come 9:30. If we're in balance, in value, you might need patience unless we make a run for either the overnight low or the overnight high. Right? And that's why being in this trading room, starting at 9:15 every morning, we're breaking it down to give you both sides. A game plan this early, look, we talk about hump levels, right? Well, for the bears, the hump level is certainly yesterday's high for now because the daily is down. Now, you can say the overnight high because if you get the overnight high and value starts going overlapping a higher, then the odds of getting yesterday's highs get better. So your first hump level would be the overnight high to defend if you're a bear. For the bulls, with the daily being down and the weekly, being in balance, not much to defend right here. Not much to defend, right? Even if we take out yesterday's low, you have the 7th low, the 6th low, the 5th low. I mean, those are pretty good targets within $2 of each other. I don't think you're going to defend that much. So the selling would continue, I think, if we take out yesterday's low. Again, it all remains to be seen. And then chart-wise, so there's the daily. It did have a nice finish. Now, again, I mentioned yesterday in the video, and I'm going to mention again today, the volumes were good, especially triple Qs. SPY did 89 million. We averaged 69 million. Triple Qs averages 45 million. They did 76 million. It's a lot of volume. Now, again, it's impressive how we traded off the lows yesterday, but with emotional trading, how much can you rely on that? It could all go away this morning. Again, one day doesn't make a market, so I don't care that much about the 20-day moving average just yet. So, all things to keep in mind. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. We'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.